Hello everyone, welcome to Control Technology. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to use ChatGPT for quick ideas. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Control Technology. So let's get started. So you know that ChatGPT is a great tool for generating ideas quickly. Whether you need content inspiration, business strategies, or creative solutions. Here I'm gonna show you how to use it effectively. I'm going to show you with some points with example prompt. Number 1. Be clear and specific. Vague prompts can lead to generic responses. Be as detailed as possible about what you need. Example prompt. Give me 5 unique blog post ideas about time management for young professionals. Here is the result. ChatGPT will provide you the best result. Number 2. Ask for different perspective. If you need variety, ask ChatGPT to provide different angles on a topic. Example prompts. Suggest 3 different approaches to writing a blog post about staying productive while working from home. Let's see the answer. Here it is. Number 3. Request trend-based ideas. Here you have to leverage ChatGPT to generate ideas based on current trends in your industry. Example prompt. What are some trending blog topics about remote work in 2025? Here is the result. And the last one, number 4. Use ChatGPT for name and title suggestions. If you need a name for a product, business, or content price, ask ChatGPT for creative options. Example prompt. Give me 10 creative names ideas for a new task management app. Your result is ready. So, ChatGPT can generate variety of unique and catchy names. It helps you brainstorm faster without overthinking. Hope you like this video. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.